I'm not chewing that.
No, when we went to the American Royal. When we went with Devin, we had that old guy, gray hair, laughing, giggled the whole damn time.
I don't remember.
Yep, he was on a team, and this was the way they did their chicken. He pointed me in this direction to check out their website.
Alright.
Followers for life.
What could you stuff them with?
Cheese.
Dang.
You know,
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
you don't want to try to keep it off of the, so
Off
you
of the
keep the
actual
sauce out
chicken.
of it. But as it melts, it'll probably
I wanted to sit about halfway up.
not all of it. You're gonna use some of that.
Yeah, I'm thinking I might want to use some of that myself, Casey. Here, you can have whatever you can get out of that.
What do I want it for?
Tap it up. That high, all the way up.
Low and low.
It's too hot down there. It's too hot. Boy, some of the skin's split.
Butter, butter, butter.
Yeah.
Are they cooked?
Yeah, they're probably.
Oh, so you just take them off and put them on?
What I'm, yeah.
Oh, chicken strips.
Alright.
I mean, chicken strips and chicken. I can't stand having chicken. I don't think you should eat them. I don't want you guys to get sick.
I should?
No.
You don't get sick?
I don't want you guys to get sick, so you might not want to eat the ribs.